and another child, her friend has made a mala with 78 beads or 76 beads. What do you think? How many more beads does she need to make her mala equal to 82 beads? So this way we can do one activity and we can take follow-up questions, follow-up word problems to that activity. Now you must remember that we have done one activity as snake activity in our F2 workshop. So snake activity is another anchoring context with which you can do word problem. We can take, and Anjali Shamli is also another anchoring context with which we can do different word problems. I'll just, yeah, Anupriya ma'am will just finish. I'll just finish that. When we discuss that, whenever we talk about why we don't do addition, subtraction, or any word problem on Ganit Mala, see, what do we want, how our children will solve word problem. Now, when we will ask any word problem, when we will share or discuss any word problem, we also feel the children will comprehend the word problem. They will visualize, they will create a mental model. Okay, 74 and 82. Or maybe you can ask that, okay, if I both the mala Rachna ma'am has made and the mala Anupriya ma'am has made, if I add both the mala, if I put all the beads together and make one mala, then what do you think? How many beads will be there in that mala? So what do we expect, or how our children should solve this problem? They should create a mental model that, acha, this is Rachna ma'am's mala, this is Anupriya's mala, and if I make a bigger mala, it will be a bigger mala. The child will create this mental model and work with the numbers mentally, right? And write in the copy if the child is writing particularly in that way. But not counting really 84 beads and 78 beads and adding two numbers. No? Adding on Ganit Mala or doing addition or word problem activities on Ganit Mala sometimes may restrict children to think mentally. What Ganit Mala is doing, or if we talk about numbers up to 20, what Ganit Raif is doing. Ganit Mala is helping children to create that mental model with which children will add 84 and 72, or maybe 84 and 12. Okay, one mala has 84 beads. If I add 12 more beads, then how big that mala will be? Will that be more than 100? Will that mala have more than 100 beads? So this mental model, Ganit Mala is trying to actually helping children to create this model of this number image. No, children are not like, we don't want our children to count 1, 2, 3, 4, or make any line of 84 beads and 12 beads. No? So that's why we are not doing.
Shubhavita, your voice is not coming.
I can't hear you, Shubhamita. Suddenly.
I'm not audible, ma'am.
क्या हो रहा है?
Sorry. Yeah. Yeah, I think I just.
Shubhamita, did we see that video with the teachers last time where children are solving the word problem?
Long before, actually.
Huh?
We saw
We saw the
we
word
saw
problem.
one video.
We saw it, ma'am. We saw it.
We saw it.
So we could see how children are actually solving it mentally, na? When they wanted to do 28
Yes.
plus. So the idea is that you do enough things on Ganit Mala so that when you ask them a word problem, then they are able to solve it mentally like that, right?
Yeah,
so that is the kind of the thing. And then we can use different contexts, like Shubhamita is saying, it can be snake or we can be this one. And maybe we can talk about it next time, how we can use what could be the follow-up questions to the snake question. Huh? What could be the follow-up word problem? Or we can even think of what can be further activities for.
Yes, ma'am. That will be very helpful.
Okay, we'll do that. Maybe next time we can plan a discussion around that itself. What could be good
next
context
time,
for taking about?
when we will be having this again the same session, like
So I think we will be discussing that, but I think November, there would be other sessions which are also coming up. I think the foundation program sessions will also be there, and with the core team, I think probably
Okay.
Anupriya ma'am was asking something. I think maybe we can take that question. And then,
I'm not asking, just sharing the fact that
yeah,
I
please.
did the activity with this. I have given them ample of time. To 1 minute, I gave them to plan a strategy how they can make a longest line. I gave them 10 minutes and they ended up using 270 Rajma beans line. They ended up making 300. First they made it, then they counted it, and I chose one child who made the longest one. So one child made with the 325. Then they were able to compare it also. Ki ma'am, these many we require. So they added that many more Rajma beans to like match up the longest line. So that
Wow.
was a very great activity we
Nice.
did.
Yeah, nice, ma'am. Nice activity.
I can't believe that actually. I mean, even to hear it, even though we know it is true that children can make the 270 means.
They first they used 4 to 8 A4 size sheets. They spread it on the floor because I told them that they will be requiring ample of space. So they put the sheets on the floor and they started making it.
Nice. Really nice. So I think this is one example already here, but maybe we can also look at further kind of examples next time. I think we can take this up for discussion. Yeah. Good context for what. So, okay, teachers, I think we have had some disruptions this time, but hope the session was useful and that some of the activities that we've discussed, we can try it out also. And then maybe next time we can go further. One of the things we'll definitely look at is word problems or context problems as we are talking.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, everyone.
everybody.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.